I'm Mike Blotz, and I'm the sublimation artist here at Pearl Izumi, and we're going to show you how to sublimate a jersey. So you start with your sublimation paper, which is printed with a special ink on a digital printer that would, when it's heated, it vaporizes and dyes the fabric. Just lay the fabric down. This is just to keep it in place while we're making our initial print to make a template to do a final production run. We have a back panel and a pocket would go over this area, and then a front, arms, neck, and side panels. And here's our transfer press at 390 degrees. And 50 seconds worth of time at 390 degrees and 7 bar worth of pressure. And there's a sublimated back panel of a jersey. So here's a almost complete jersey. Here's a back. And there's a half of the front. Another half of the front. With the offset done correctly, so when it's folded over and a zipper sewn in, the words will match up perfectly. And the pocket, they line up to notches, and pocket lines up perfectly. Awesome.